money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna,
Hey guys, it's your girl Natalia Armani, and we're back with another wig from Megalook Hair. This is their blonde Barbie wig with brown highlights. It's 100% virgin hair. The cap is breathable and elastic, so it's so easy to install. You can also wear it glueless. You can just put the straps in, put it on, and go. And I also love that it has no combs because I always feel like it's so unnecessary and I always take them out. But anyways, we're starting with the ball cap today. I'm not wearing braids, y'all. I just stick my hair to the back and we just gonna go ahead and put the cap on top. As always, I'm using my Wonder lace spray from Evan, and I'm just spraying my hairline like directly on my hairline and my edges. But of course, I slick my edges back before we even put the cap on. And then you want to go ahead and blow dry that completely dry. I like to start with my ears because the ears always lift, so I make sure I press that spray inside the the spray where my ears are, and then I blow dry them dry. Now we're just gonna cut off the excess lace, but I like to use this band to hold down my ball cap because I'm not sewing it down. And then I'm just going to cut off all the other excess cap.
Off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta.
So this first layer of glue is just to secure like the edges of the cap, because like I said, the cap can get tricky. It can start lifting and doing all this crazy stuff. So I like to take like a thin layer and just put it directly right on the edge of the cap and just seal the cap in before I even put down the glue for the wig.
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hey,
So now that the ball cap is done, let's go ahead and apply this wig. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was kind of scared and skeptical about this wig at first because I didn't think I was really gonna like it, honestly. But it actually turned out good because the roots was giving more like gray. I don't know, like it wasn't really giving brown, it was giving gray. But like I said, it still came out cute. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying my glue. Y'all already know 3 layers. Today I'm using Boho Active, and I'm really on a search to find a good lace glue. So if you guys have any recommendations, leave them below in the comments because I'm just gonna be trying out some different lace glues. I'm trying to find the best lace glue. But yeah, so you already know, put on there 3 layers, make sure it dries clear in between each layer, and then you can go ahead and apply the wig.
Come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wait, surf, papa, hurt, papa, smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew.
So, you know, I don't really do straight hair on my channel that often, so I decided to straighten the hair today. I'm using my Baby Bliss flat iron, so I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to purchase it. It is so good. I love using this flat iron, and like you see, I'm using big sections. Like, I'm not even using little sections, and it's getting the job done, bone straight, no product. So I love this flat iron. But yeah, I'm just straightening it, so it's not really much to it. I'm using the chasing method with my rat tail comb, and this hair got pretty straight. Like, I think it is straight hair. I'm gonna leave all the links down below. I don't know if it's body wave or straight, but the hair got really straight. It was so soft, so silky. As you see, I'm just running my fingers through it, running the comb straight through like it's nothing. I really did and love this hair. And you can really see like the highlights now that it's straight. Like, you can see like the brown, the blonde, and all of that. And it's really cute. It's giving. And like I said, look how at first it was just like a little straight and bushy, and then when I went ahead and used that Baby Bliss, it got real silky. So now you got to go ahead and cut off the lace using the razor, of course. You know, the drill. This was not HD lace. I don't think it was. I think it was like a little transparent lace. So I did wind up putting a little bit of foundation just so it can blend in with my skin better. And it did a pretty good job. So I did end up doing a style with this hair because I just didn't want to wear this bone straight middle part. I was like, let me just go ahead and try to do a cute style, something different, something fresh, something new. And I think it came out so cute. As you can see, I was taking down the little pieces in the front, and I did like a slanted part and then slicked the hair all the way to the back. So I'm not really going to talk through this process. I'm just going to let you guys watch and see what I did.
Water, reach, water, your bitch, gonna, wanna, come on, hey, stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, Michael, hey, surfer, wait. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, Hana, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, Michael, hey, surfer, wait, habit. Sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, bringing that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the jet, people may get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speeding that bitch, I stick up my foot on that neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, from the strong, gotta keep it a gun, not a regular, but that's strong, fucking whole right up, we get remind, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm for with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, gonna, wanna, come on, Hana, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, Michael, hey, surfer, wait, surf, papa, hurt, papa, smurf, a lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, gonna, wanna, come on, wanna, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, been in, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, for wait.
And boom, this is the final results. Like, y'all, I really love this style. I love this hair. It's so silky, so straight. It was giving Barbie tees, okay? Thank you all for watching this video. I love you all like always, and I see you in the next one.